Hi viewers, you are welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Farmer Tanto. I'm a grassroots environmentalist. I'm a farmer. I'm a social entrepreneur. So today I'm here in a residential landscape in GRA in my neighborhood. Actually, I planted this garden about 5 years ago, and once in a year we come around, to do some maintenance, to do some pruning. But it's kind of interesting that it is a residential property and people are renting almost like 5 or 6 families. But I'm so shocked that the people who lived inside the residential property, they don't even care about taking care of the environment, man. This is so sad. Wow. So we're here to do some cleaning, and to our greatest shock, we saw plastics everywhere, littered around, and right where there's car parks, the people who live there, they don't care because they are renting. Oh my goodness. Anyway, let me continue. So this cypress has grown too tall, and we want to do some pruning. So normally we prune once a year, and we don't want to allow it grow too wild. We plant it somewhere. I love dracaenas. Dracaenas are one of my favorite indoor plants because they require less maintenance. There are so many varieties of dracaenas with different colors. You can plant dracaenas at your doorstep. They love shade as well, and they love semi-shade. They're so beautiful just from the foliage. You enjoy dracaenas, nature at your doorsteps. Hi viewers, so we are advocating for residents in the cities, in the villages, to go into landscape designs. We are not only out to let people grow food, but we want to encourage households to plant flowers. When you bring nature at your doorsteps, you feel happy, you feel fulfilled. When your environment is beautiful and clean, you feel happy. So it is our goal that in some few years to come, from the villages to the cities, people will be able to cultivate the habit of planting flowers. Even if you are renting, just plant. Just plant some plants to make your environment look beautiful. You must not only plant in your personal home. Nature is so wonderful. Thank you for always subscribing. Thank you for always sharing. I am Farmer. No farmer, no future. Peace and blessings.